Today, we're going to talk about how to make money out of Instagram. So, are you a content creator on Instagram? Always wondered how to make money? Initially, Instagram had brand sponsorships and affiliate marketing as the only ways to make money. But as time progressed, Instagram has now created something called as Instagram Reels bonus program, which allows you to get money out of all the creative reels that you create. Instagram Reel bonus is an invite only program, but because you're following me, I'm going to show you today on how to apply for it. I've written a detailed blog about this on my website. So please go ahead, visit the website, and you'll know how to apply for it, what kind of content to create, how to quickly make money out of Instagram Reels, and much more. So, in order to enroll for the Instagram Reel bonus program, all you need to do is go onto the Meta site and then click on bonuses. And then you click on enroll now, fill up the form. If you're selected, you will get a notification on Instagram and you'll start making money out of each of the reels that you post. You need to make sure you create interactive content so more of your reels are viewed. And obviously, go onto the blog, you'll be able to read more and understand about this. Now that you're going to make thousands of dollars through Instagram, don't forget to like and share this video and to share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much.